My name is Clay Lawrence, owner of Review Harvest, and last month we did over $61,000 just helping local business owners get more reviews and rank higher on Google. And so we sell low-ticket monthly recurring subscriptions, and churn is one of the biggest factors in terms of whether your business blows up and you keep growing for years and years and years, or you just plateau and you churn your wheels all the time to try to grow your business, but all you're doing is feeding a leaky bucket. So in the last couple of months, I've been focused on Review Harvest churn and how we can make it better. And today I'm going to show you the exact gifting system that we plugged into our business that is semi-automated that'll hopefully increase our customer lifetime value and help people stay with us for years and years. You can see I got our AI agent to put this dashboard together. We have multiple Stripe accounts and we used to do pay-per-review billing instead of just subscription billing. And so this just combines everything into one dashboard for me. Our churn numbers are totally messed up because people that watch this YouTube video go sign up for Review Harvest and just cancel right away. Please don't do that. And so it just messes up our numbers, but this is kind of the closest thing I've got. And so you can see we've got 519 active subscriptions, right? And there's some of those have 50 or 60 different businesses underneath them for our franchise accounts. But we also have 381 zombies. Those are the pay per review people that were just paying per review, not a subscription, that haven't paid us in 6 months, right? And so basically we're counting that as churn. And you can see kind of our monthly churn rate here and slowly dropping. But here's the exact system that we've installed and kind of the ins and outs of each one. And so if you don't know why reviews are important, basically the more reviews you have on Google, the higher you rank up here in the map pack. These are totally organic. That way you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to rank up here in the sponsored ads, and they get clicks and calls all day long totally for free. And so we just help local businesses rank there and charge a couple $100 a month for it. But this same customer gifting system can apply to your high-level SaaS, can apply to your marketing agency. And a lot of what I've talked about today is inspired by these two books. Even though we're a low-ticket service, I try to get a little bit creative on how we can do this and still be super profitable. But these two books are great when it comes to reducing churn, when it comes to making your customers feel seen and keeping them with you for years. All right, so day one, what happens is we get a new sign up in Stripe. So when that happens, Victor, our AI tool that's plugged into our Slack, we'll go ahead and grab their mailing address, right? So it'll look on their Google business profile, it'll scrape their website, it'll look at their state website and search for their entity name and try and find it. And then from there, it'll send me an approval saying, hey, is this their address? Can I go ahead and add the greeting card tag? From there, what it does is it sends that information. Once that greeting card tag is added in high level, it sends that information to Mailbox Power. And I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. But from there, it automatically sends out a greeting card on the very first day. So hopefully before even we have an onboarding call or right after their onboarding call, they're getting something in the mail from us showing them that we care about them. If you're just getting started, you don't have any customers, don't worry about churn. You don't even have a customer yet. Just focus on it, because my first 200, 300 customers, I've never had any issues with churn because it was me doing everything. But as you grow and you try and scale quicker and quicker and you get off calls and all that sort of stuff, you have to make sure that these customers don't just feel like a number to you. You can see today we onboarded somebody at 9 a.m. So he said, hey, new client, here's the link to their Google Maps, here's their address, make sure that looks good. And then I just clicked on approve. From there, what happens, their address is added to their contact in high level, and the tag greeting card is added to their contact. From there, it triggers off this automation where it just says tag includes greeting card, add the new contact to Mailbox Power. In Mailbox Power, you can set up automations. It's very integrated with high level, so it's super easy to do, but you can see we have our greeting card automation. And I have the $199 a month Mailbox Power subscription. If y'all want to get started, I will have a link down below in the description. This is just the tool I use. I'm sure there's other similar tools out there, but they give you 200 free greeting cards every single month. And so we're not onboarding more than 200 clients a month right now. So pretty much they're totally free. All I have to do is pay for the postage, which is 78 cents. And so you can click it, you can add an automation. So we're going to configure it here. I'll just show you what it looks like, and you can add shipments to it, right? So in here, it's very simple. I just added this greeting card. It says 68 cents, but you get 200 for free. And if you click on edit project, you can see everything in here is customizable. So this card will have their name on it. You can change the colors. You can add their logo. You can add your logo. And then we have our message here. Hey, first name, thank you for choosing Review Harvest. We look forward to getting you more reviews and customers from Google. Please message us if you have any questions or concern. We are here to help. And it said, PS, text me when you get this card. I just want to make sure you got it, right? That's just to make sure we know they got it in the mail, and also just another way to come top of mind if we're still waiting on stuff for onboarding or whatever. They know that we're thinking about them, and this starts another conversation so we can make sure their account's set up properly. And then on the back, you can add dynamic QR codes. So since this one's normally during the onboarding process, we could send them a welcome video or something like that, and it'll have all your information here on the back. Another thing that happens at the end of the day, Victor, our AI assistant, goes through and finds all the new accounts that signed up and sends me a list of where they're at in the onboarding process, how things are going. But it sends me a message like this saying, hey, they connected their Google business profile, they review things live, they made an integration, but we haven't booked the onboarding call yet. And so now what I do is I pull up Lead Connector, the Lead Connector app. I say, hey, I'm about to send you a video. It's going to come through as a link because it does that when you send through Lead Connector. And then this is just a personalized welcome video from me, the founders. Especially if I didn't meet with them, I say, hey, this is Clay, the founder of Review Harvest. I saw you haven't booked the onboarding call yet. We're super excited to get you set up and start getting you more reviews. Feel free to click the link I'm about to send down below to go ahead and book that onboarding call. Looks like you have a super cool business. Talk to you soon. Just a quick 15 to 30 second video that's personalized to them so that they know that we actually care about them and they don't just feel like a number. So then by day 3 or 5, they should receive that greeting card in the mail. Hopefully we got them onboarded, everything gets set up, and we launch that review reactivation. If you don't know what a review reactivation is, it's basically the first thing we do for our clients where they give us their customer list and we slowly reach out to all their previous customers to get them a big win up front and get them a bunch of reviews on Google. That can really help lower your churn because they start to trust you very quickly after you said you were going to do something and you actually did it. Then the next milestone is 25 new reviews. So typically this happens around day 30, but it can depend. Basically, Victor, our AI tool that's plugged into high level Slack, all the stuff, will go through and look for any accounts that just hit 25 new reviews added since started with us. From there, it'll send me a message saying, hey, these people just got 25 reviews. Here's their address. Do you want me to go ahead and send them the brownie gift? I just click on approve. From there, the same type of automation happens. Basically, brownie gift tag is added. It adds that contact to Mailbox Power. Then in Mailbox Power, we have another automation. So if we go to saved automations here, you can see we have the 25 new reviews with Review Harvest. We click on manage shipments. You can see we send them another greeting card that says, hey, we're looking for some brownie points or something like that. And we also ask for a referral. So at the end, we say, hey, PS, anybody you send our way, we give you a $100 gift card and they get a $100 gift card after they complete the trial. And we send that through with a 2-pack of brownies. Once again, just showing them that we value their business. They're not just a number to us. And typically when people sign up for software companies or people sign up for low ticket monthlies or subscription, they're never really anticipating to get something in the mail or get gifts and stuff like that. And so just we're trying to go above and beyond and make a really good impression, because when it comes to lowering churn, the first couple days and the first 30 days are the most important by far. The more wins and positive interactions we can have with this business in the first 30 days, the more likely they are to stick with us for years and years. From there, Mailbox Power prints the cards and ships the brownies. These cost about $13.80 per shipment. And then 3 to 5 days later, brownies show up at their door, congratulating them with all the new reviews. We can send over merge fields. So if you go to this automation here and you click here, we get Victor. You can plug Victor into every single one of your sub accounts and it can see all of this data, but we can send contacts review added. So how many reviews has this business added? We can send that through and add that into the card. So hey, we've added 27 reviews. We've added 54 reviews. So very personalized, very custom. Next thing, and this is something that I'm still working on. So that's why it's yellow. It's not set up yet. I actually was making this little chart just for us. So we had it and I didn't forget what I built. And so I wanted to build this out myself, but figured I'd make a video. And so you can see what we're going to do is we're going to have milestones they hit. So 100, 500, 1,000 reviews. And once again, Victor will just be plugged into all of our accounts. And we have a backend database, which is besides the point, but you can just plug them into all your sub accounts and he can tell you every time somebody hits 100 new reviews, 500 reviews, 1,000 reviews added. And from there, you can send them. We're probably going to try and do custom gifts for each review value. I think for 1,000 reviews, it'd be really cool to get them some really nifty trophy. There's another review company called like ReviewFi or something that actually flies out to all their customers that get their first 1,000 reviews, gives them this nice trophy, does this some sort of presentation to their employees. It's a really cool thing to do. So we're probably going to model this process after theirs. And then lastly, when you're on the $199 plan of Mailbox Power, you also get 5 free custom mugs. So these are mugs that you can print with like the customer's logo on them. They're not just like your own logo. And that's what these books talk about. It's like, don't give them just some crap, right? Obviously the stuff that we're giving them is relatively cheap in terms of like, it's just a card, it's just brownies and stuff, but we're low ticket. So we have to still kind of watch our expenses, right? As we add on websites and SEO and stuff like that, and our customer lifetime value gets higher, we'll obviously probably increase these gifts. But talk about, hey, send personalized gifts, right? Instead of sending them something with your logo on that they don't care, like why would somebody want to drink out of a Review Harvest mug? Like it just doesn't add very much value to them, right? But if it has their business's logo on it, now they'll probably drink out of that mug all the time. And when they do drink out of it, they'll think of your business, right? And also when someone asks, oh, where'd you get that mug? They'll say, hey, the software company I work with called Review Harvest, they actually sent me this custom mug. And so Victor pulls the data for every prior month and looks at the businesses adding lots of reviews or sending us referrals. So you get 5 of these free custom mugs. So I basically want Victor to handpick, what are our 5 best customers from last month? And then he will suggest 5 5 businesses through Slack, and I'll just approve which ones we want to send out and which ones we might want to change. And from there, same situation. The tag custom mug is added in high level to their contact. We make sure that address is updated as well. And then high level sends that data to Mailbox Power. And so what Victor actually does, and if you don't know what Victor is, go watch my other video about the AI agent that we're using in Slack heavily to run a lot of our business and do a lot of super custom automations that are just really hard to set up in workflows or in Zapier or high level even. What it'll do from there is once I approve, it'll go scrape their website, scrape their Google Business Profile, their Facebook, and it'll go pull their logo and remove the background for me. And then it says, hey, do these logos look good? Boom, approve. And so we just add their logo link through a custom field, and that gets sent over to Mailbox Power, right? And so we go to campaigns, saved automations, and we go to our custom mug one, click on manage shipments. You can see we're sending a 15-ounce mug and a greeting card. Once again, this greeting card asks for a referral. It congratulates them on all the reviews and thanks them for being a valued customer. And this mug will come through with their logo on it. So super personalized, something they probably will actually use. And so a couple days later, a custom mug shows up at their door, and that costs $17.80, right? I think if you don't have the $199 plan, it'd be like $30, but the mug itself is free. So you're just paying for shipping and handling here. So yeah, that's the customer retention / gifting system that I've installed in Review Harvest. You can see kind of our dashboard here. Hopefully we can get this churn down to like the 5% range. I think that'd be awesome if we get it down there. And that way, when you increase your customer lifetime value, you can spend more money on ads, you can spend more money to grow your business, and you just have a better business overall with less churn, less unhappy customers. It's just more fun to run. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, go check out that other video I made about Victor AI that is genuinely saving us 20, 30 hours every single week right now. Other than that, if you're interested in how I make over $50,000 every single month just helping local business owners get Google reviews, feel free to click that top link down below in the description and sign up to High Level with my link. If you sign up, you'll get an extended 30-day trial instead of the 14-day trial, and you will also get access to my paid community totally for free. And in that paid community, I'll give you a little link where you can copy and paste all the automations, all the templates, everything I've ever used to grow my business. You can copy and paste that directly into your own High Level account. And I also hop on 2 group coaching calls every single week where I meet you exactly where you're at and answer any questions you have. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked it, drop a comment, like below. Peace. What's up, everybody? I'm here with the boxes that Mailbox Power sent. I'm going to show you. So this is the card. You can see that it doesn't look very handwritten. You can kind of like tell it's a little bit printed, but that's pretty much, the card that they can send out to your clients. It can have their name on it, so you can see it says thank you Clay right there. That's a dynamic QR code right there that you can change. Has the return address and everything on there if you want to have that there. And yeah, it's really cool. And then this is the custom mug that printed out. So basically we can dynamically populate our clients' logos on these mugs, and they print them out custom. So you get 5 free of these per month on the, I think, $199 plan a month I'm on. And it comes in this box all packaged up with, bubble wrap and stuff. And then the other thing I'm doing, like I said, is brownies. So you can see same situation here, smaller box, card comes like this. You can see it said congrats on adding 69 new reviews since working with Review Harvest. The text on this is a little bit weird because I made it out to Review Harvest or whatever, but same situation. So whoop whoop, you're crushing it with Review Harvest. From a small business to small business, your support means more than you know. Enjoy these brownies, and shows the text so we know they got to you. And then same thing on the back of the QR code has some instructions on how to heat up the brownies, and then yeah, the back. And then these are the brownies. And so I got a 4-pack. Typically I'm going to do a 2-pack. I think the 4-pack comes with a custom sticker on the front. I mean, typically just probably going to do a 2-pack, but the problem was that we weren't here when these were delivered, and they sat in the sun on our front porch for about 5 days. So I'm probably still going to eat them. But anyways, wanted to add this as context. They also sent this really cool box. They sent me a bunch of goodies, just specifically Mailbox Power when you sign up, which I guess makes sense for a company named Mailbox Power. They're probably going to send some stuff in your mailbox. But yeah, pretty cool. Excited to get this rocking and rolling and get these mugs out to our clients, custom, the greeting cards out, all that sort of stuff. So yeah,